In this video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on Microsoft Teams. Now, for us to get this done, it's actually quite simple. I'm going to go ahead and show you. First things first, let's engage in a video call with them. So I'm going to go ahead and just dial here. All right, there you go. So now we are in a call with this particular person right here. And the next thing that we are going to do is just tap the share button right here at the top. And then you can choose to include the sound if you want to. So go ahead and just toggle this on and then choose how you are going to present this. So you have different options. We have the content only. You can go ahead and have the standout. Basically, you're going to have yourself down there. You're going to be seen. We have side by side and we have reporter. So again, choose between the following option. I'm just going to choose the content only right here, choose the screen, and there you go. So now I am sharing this particular screen right here. So again, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. You can go ahead and try to explore this even more or even further. And thank you again for watching. I hope this video helps you out.